The best HP laptops balance style and substance with a reasonable price tag, making them great candidates if you're in the market for a new notebook. These HP laptops can pack just as much as of a punch as the competition does, while looking just as sharp and saving you some money. Even if the HP is not the first laptop brand you may think of, you will find these laptops have a lot to offer and might even exceed your expectations. In this video, I am going to show you 5 amazing HP laptops that comes powered with the Intel Core 12th generation processors that you can consider to buy. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which HP laptop did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries related to buying a new HP laptop, you can ask me on my Instagram handle. HP Pavilion 14 powered by Intel Core i5 12th generation processor, 16GB of RAM, 512GB of fast SSD storage, beautiful 14-inch Full HD IPS micro SD display, powered by Intel UHD graphics, Bang & Olufsen speakers, Windows 11 and Alexa built-in. Also comes with a backlit keyboard. This is an amazing HP laptop that comes at a budget price. But if you spend some more money, you may get the HP Pavilion 14 powered by Intel Core i7 12th generation processor. The HP Pavilion laptop works hard and plays even harder, breeze through the daily tasks with a powerful Intel 12th generation processor, compute on the go with the compact design and the long-lasting battery life. Yes, you heard it right. It comes with a 43 Wh battery that gives you up to 8 hours of battery life, and it also supports super fast charging. You can also enjoy epic entertainment with the audio by Bang & Olufsen and a flicker-free micro LED screen. And this laptop is made with a planet in mind. That is, this HP laptop contains ocean-bound plastic. So totally this is an amazing powerful laptop, comes at a budget price. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. HP Pavilion 15 powered by Intel Core i5 processor of 12th generation, 8GB of RAM, 512GB of fast SSD storage, big and beautiful 15.6 inches Full HD screen which is an IPS micro SD display. Comes powered with the Intel Iris Xe graphics, Bang & Olufsen audio for epic entertainment, Windows 11 Home Edition, and it weighs around 1.75 kg. If you're looking for a big display laptop powered by Intel Core 12th generation processor and comes at a budget price, this laptop is the best one. Multitasking feels easy on this laptop as it comes powered with the fastest 12th generation Intel Core i5 processor and Intel Iris Xe graphics for visual experience and up to 1TB of SSD storage and 8GB of RAM. It also comes with a HP Quick Drop, fast, secure and wireless transfer between your PC and mobile devices. You can transfer files, photos and videos and more between your PC, Android phone and iOS devices faster and easier than a cabled connection. So what we also like the most is its immersive display. It comes with a 3-sided micro SD display that will make you see more of your screen in crystal clear IPS Full HD resolution. The laptop also comes with a backlit keyboard, fingerprint reader and Bang & Olufsen audio. HP 15 is the most affordable and the cheapest Intel Core i5 12th generation processor, 8GB of RAM, 512GB SSD, big and beautiful 15.6-inch Full HD anti-glare micro SD display and powered by Intel Iris Xe graphics. The laptop also comes with the dual speakers and Alexa built-in. The laptop weighs around 1.69 kg. So as I said before, it is the cheapest laptop in the market right now that comes powered with the Intel Core i5 12th generation processor clocked with up to 4.4 GHz, comes with the 10 cores and 12 threads, coupled with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM that you can expand up to 16 GB. And it comes with the Intel Iris Xe graphics and 512 GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD. So totally it's a performance powerhouse. It comes at affordable price. The laptop comes with a Windows 11 Home support, HP Support Assistant and the Microsoft Office Home and Studio 2021 edition. The laptop comes with a Bluetooth 5 combo, fast charging support that can charge the battery to 50% in just 45 minutes. And it also comes with a long-lasting battery that can support up to 8 hours of battery life. The laptop also comes with good connectivity options, comes with a 2 super speed USB Type-A 5G PPS signaling rate, 1 headphone microphone combo and 1 AC smart pin. Omen by HP. Powered by Intel Core i7 12th generation processor, 16.1-inch big and beautiful Full HD screen that will give you immersive display experience, comes with a 300 nits of brightness and 7 millisecond response rate and 144 Hz refresh rate. This powerful laptop comes with a 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of SSD. This laptop also comes with a dynamic power technology that is cooperating with the IR thermopile sensor. Omen dynamic power can precisely detect real-time CPU and GPU capacity and dynamically allocate power between the CPU and GPU, creating extra headroom and optimizing in-game FPS based on current game scenery. This laptop also comes with a lot of connectivity options, that is USB Type-A port, power adapter, RJ45, USB Type-A mini display port, HDMI 2.1, USB headphone microphone combo and media card reader. HP Spectre X360 13.5 2022 model, powered by Intel Core i7 12th generation processor and Intel Iris Xe graphics with up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of fast SSD storage. The HP Spectre X360 has been one of the best laptops for years now. And now coming with the 12th generation Intel Core processors, which offers very good performance boost and features better integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics. It still features the impeccable 2-in-1 design and pristine jump cut chassis that these laptops are known for, meaning that HP Spectre X360 is one of the best looking 2-in-1 laptops ever made when it comes to build quality. While it's certainly pricey, you are getting some excellent features here, such as formidable security features, Bang & Olufsen speakers and immersive display. If you care about aesthetics as much as you do performance and overall quality, then this laptop is for you. So these are the 5 amazing HP laptops that you can consider to buy. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.